I earned over $72,000 last month from operating several online ventures, which I'll detail in this video. These are the top businesses you can embark on this coming year, particularly if you aim to reach your initial $100,000 milestone leveraging AI and the internet. There are countless ordinary individuals who are transforming their lives and amassing millions of dollars. Unfortunately, this golden opportunity won't last forever. Those who seize it will join the 1% and lead extraordinary lives, while those who miss out may find themselves among the 99%, confined to jobs and living paycheck to paycheck. If you aspire to more in life, seeking financial freedom, then this video is tailored for you. It provides the precise blueprint you need to launch your first successful venture. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. I'll rank each one from best to worst, offering you insight into which business might suit you best. Business idea number 1. Now let's kick off with the initial business idea, which involves becoming a content creator. This is undeniably one of the easiest ways to earn thousands of dollars per month, and virtually anyone can pursue it from the comfort of their home. A content creator simply shares content on social media and earns a living from it. Examples include Mr. Beast and Graham Stephan. Personally, I earn well over $50,000 monthly as a content creator, though reaching that level does require time. However, it's achievable for anyone. To become a content creator, I highly recommend reading Show Your Work by Austin Kleon and This Is Marketing by Seth Godin. It's not overly complex to become a content creator. Simply choose a niche you're passionate about. For instance, I chose finance. Next, start creating short-form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Initially, I advise against delving into lengthy YouTube videos as they can be challenging. However, as you gain experience, you can explore longer content. If you're unsure what content to create, study other creators in your niche to understand what resonates with audiences. The rewarding aspect of being a content creator is the ability to earn substantial income by promoting products, securing sponsorships, and monetizing YouTube videos. In terms of ranking, being a content creator secures the top spot. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, requiring no initial investment. Moreover, sharing your passion with the world is fulfilling and enjoyable. While it can be challenging to maintain anonymity, revealing your face can significantly boost audience engagement. Therefore, becoming a content creator stands as one of the best business ventures you can pursue this year. Business idea number 2. Moving on to the subsequent venture, which involves selling products on Amazon. Personally, I haven't generated revenue from Amazon sales, but I'm aware of numerous individuals earning millions of dollars annually through this platform. If you're a novice, I wouldn't advise diving into selling physical products on Amazon right away. However, you can opt for selling digital products, which is simpler and can be initiated today with minimal investment. Allow me to elucidate how this operates. Essentially, you'll be crafting low-content books, such as journals or notebooks, utilizing software like BookBolt. Subsequently, you can upload these books to Amazon via Amazon KDP, a process that only takes a few minutes. When a customer purchases your book on Amazon, the platform prints and ships it directly to them. Hence, Amazon handles most aspects, leaving you with the task of designing your book and awaiting sales. The advantage is that you can sell as many books as you wish, with increased sales leading to higher earnings. I've created a comprehensive YouTube tutorial on initiating this business, which I've linked in the video description. As for ranking this business on a scale from 1 to 5, I'd place it in 4th position. Here's why. While selling books on Amazon is relatively straightforward, it's also highly competitive and challenging for beginners to scale. Success hinges on having the best product, given the intense competition. Therefore, I recommend starting this venture only if you have prior experience selling products on Amazon. Otherwise, you might want to explore other business options. Business idea number 3. Moving on to the next potential venture, which is branded Shopify dropshipping. While I'm not currently engaged in dropshipping, I recognize its potential as a lucrative business, with many individuals earning millions annually from it. For those unfamiliar, Shopify dropshipping involves creating a custom website using the Shopify app and adding products from suppliers like AutoDS. When a customer makes a purchase on your website, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, eliminating the need for inventory management and shipping on your part. Your primary task is to promote your products on social media to drive sales. To succeed in the long term and build a sustainable brand, I recommend focusing on selling one high-quality product rather than constantly changing products. It's essential to select a product you genuinely believe in and one that adds value to consumers. Platforms like AutoDS can assist in finding suitable products. Once you've identified your product and set up your store, marketing becomes crucial. Creating viral content on social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram can significantly boost sales. Initially, I suggest leveraging organic social media content before considering paid advertising. Ranking this business on a scale from 1 to 5, I'd rank dropshipping in 3rd place. While it's an excellent option for beginners, it does come with some drawbacks. It typically requires upfront investment, and success often relies on selling trending products, which may not offer long-term viability. Therefore, I recommend pursuing dropshipping only if you have a product in mind that you believe can succeed in the long run. Otherwise, there may be better business options available for building consistent income streams. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Business idea number 4. Moving on to the subsequent venture, which involves Pinterest affiliate marketing. I generate over $155,000 a month from affiliate marketing, making it one of the most accessible businesses for beginners. For those unfamiliar, affiliate marketing entails promoting products or services from various brands using unique referral links. You earn a commission when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. To kickstart affiliate marketing, the first step is selecting a niche, whether it's finance, fitness, home decor, lifestyle, or any other area of interest. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to find high-paying affiliate programs, which can be sourced from platforms like Impact.com and ClickBank.com. After securing your affiliate links, the subsequent step is to promote them on Pinterest. There are 2 primary methods for promoting affiliate links on Pinterest: posting content and running ads. For beginners, it's advisable to start with content posting. Personally, I've utilized Pinterest for 3 years, growing my personal account to over 100,000 followers. My strategy involves posting 3 to 5 pictures or videos daily without showing my face. If you're interested in creating images like the one showcased on my Pinterest account, you can easily do so using Canva. Business idea number 5. Moving on to the next potential venture, which involves purchasing rental properties. Currently, I own 3 townhomes that generate a monthly income of over $7,700. The concept is straightforward. Tenants pay rent, covering expenses, with the surplus amounting to profit. However, I must emphasize that starting this business requires substantial savings. Nevertheless, leveraging real estate allows you to invest without utilizing your entire savings. For instance, if you intend to purchase a $300,000 house, you may only need to provide a down payment, with the remainder financed by a bank loan. Subsequently, rental income from tenants can cover mortgage payments, enabling you to accumulate profit. Over time, properties tend to appreciate in value, further augmenting your investment. A $300,000 house may appreciate to $400,000, allowing you to leverage the increased equity for additional investments. While purchasing rental properties ranks 5th on the scale, It remains a lucrative venture, albeit challenging for beginners due to the substantial initial investment required. My recommendation is to first establish a profitable business, such as affiliate marketing or content creation, to accumulate funds for real estate investments in the future. These are the top 5 business ideas in my opinion, each offering unique opportunities for success. It's crucial to identify the best fit for you and dedicate yourself fully to its pursuit. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.